Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into John V. Dunlap's practical guide, How to Make Money. We'll explore Dunlap's straightforward roadmap from spotting opportunity to scaling your earnings, all in a clear conversational style. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Mindset. Seeing money-making as problem-solving. Mini title. Your best idea is someone's solution. Dunlap begins by flipping the script. Making money isn't about hustling harder, it's about helping others solve problems. When you focus on creating value, fixing a pain point for customers, income naturally follows. Example: imagine you're stuck waiting in long lines at the coffee shop every morning. If you build an app that lets people pre-order and skip the line, you've solved a real frustration, and customers will happily pay for that convenience. 2. Find your niche. Play to your strengths. Mini title. Specialize to monetize. Next, Dunlap urges you to narrow your focus. Rather than competing in broad markets, identify a specific niche where you have expertise or passion. A tight niche means less competition and a clearer message. Metaphor. Think of fishing in a small, well-stocked pond instead of the entire ocean. You're more likely to reel in a catch when you know where the fish are. 3. Validate your idea. Test before you invest. Mini title. Don't build blindly. Before pouring time or money into a product, Dunlap recommends quick, low-cost tests. Landing page test. Create a one-page website describing your offer and see if people sign up. Pre-sell offers. Ask a small group to pay in advance at a discount. If they buy, you've got proof. Scenario. You draft a simple sales page for a 30-day social media bootcamp and run a small ad campaign. If you get signups, you know there's demand. If not, you tweak the offer or pivot. 4. Build your platform. Be where your audience lives. Mini title. Claim your online stage. Dunlap stresses the importance of having a home base, your website or blog, plus a presence on the social platforms your audience uses. Your platform is where you share valuable content, nurture relationships, and guide prospects toward your offer. Tip: if you're targeting busy professionals, LinkedIn and a concise weekly email newsletter might be your stage. If you're teaching guitar tricks to teens, maybe TikTok or Instagram Reels. 5. Attract and engage. Content that converts. Mini title. From stranger to subscriber. With your platform set up, the next step is drawing people in. Dunlap recommends a content funnel. 1. Free value. Blog posts, videos, or podcasts answering top questions in your niche. 2. Lead magnet. A freebie like a checklist or mini course in exchange for an email address. 3. Email nurture. A sequence of helpful emails building trust, showcasing your expertise, and leading to your paid offer. Metaphor. Picture content as breadcrumbs through the forest. Prospects follow them, get a taste of your value, and arrive at the clearing where your product awaits. 6. Monetization. Turning value into revenue. Mini title. Your offer, your income. Dunlap lays out multiple monetization paths. Pick what suits your skills and audience. Digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates, services, coaching, consulting, done-for-you packages, memberships or subscriptions, ongoing access to exclusive content or community, affiliate partnerships, earning commissions by recommending tools your audience loves. Example: a fitness coach might launch a $27 7-day jumpstart digital course, then upgrade satisfied customers to a $97 monthly membership with live Q&A sessions. 7. Pricing strategies. Value over cost. Mini title. Pricing for profit and purpose. When setting prices, Dunlap encourages you to focus on the value you deliver, not just your time. Price too low, and you undercut both your earnings and perceived expertise. Too high without proof, and you scare people off. Tip: use tiered pricing, an entry-level offer to get prospects on board, plus a premium package for those ready to invest more in faster results. 8. Scaling up, systems and teams. Mini title: multiply your impact. Once your offers sell consistently, it's time to scale. Dunlap suggests automate, use tools like email sequences, payment processors, and course platforms to reduce manual work. Outsource, hire freelancers or virtual assistants for tasks that don't need your personal touch, graphics, editing, customer support. Replicate, turn your successful funnel into other niches or languages. Metaphor: think of your business as a bakery. First, you bake by hand, then you invest in mixers and ovens, automation. Finally, you hire bakers, which is outsourcing, so you can open a second location or replication. 9. Mind your metrics. Data-driven decisions. Mini title: watch the numbers, grow with confidence. Dunlap wraps up by reminding you to track key metrics: email open rates, conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, lifetime value. These numbers tell the story of what's working and what needs tweaking. Scenario: if your lead magnet converts at 50%, but your sales page only converts at 1%, you know to focus on improving your sales copy rather than chasing new traffic. Wrap up: your roadmap to steady income. And there you have it: how to make money in 15 minutes. 1. Mindset: solve problems, not sell. 2. Niche: fish where the fish are. 3. Validate: test before you build. 4. Platform: be where your people hang out. 5. Content funnel: guide strangers to customers. 6. Monetize: match offers to needs and budgets. 7. Scale: automate, outsource, replicate. 8. Metrics: let data steer your growth. Choose one step today. Maybe validate a new idea with a simple landing page, or write your first email lead magnet, and take that focused action. Over time, these steps compound into a thriving, money-making machine. Thank you for listening, and here's to your journey toward steady, scalable income.